Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will take our first step into actually coding using object-oriented programming or OOP by understanding classes and objects. Let's begin with the class. A class is like a blueprint. Think of it as a recipe for creating objects. It defines what attributes and behaviors the objects will have. Here is a basic example. Use the keyword class, then the class name, say person, then provide a colon. Next, we are creating a function, def, __ init, __ self, name, colon, self.name equals name. Here, we defined a class called person. Inside it, we have a special method called init. This is the constructor. It runs automatically when an object is created and is used to initialize attributes. Now let's create an object from this class. P1 equals person. Note this person P is in caps and the class person P is also in caps. So P1 equals person Alice. Print P1 dot name. So P1 is now an object or instance of the person class. It has a name attribute with the value Alice. Classes are templates and objects are the actual instances that hold data. In simple terms, class equals definition, object equals actual example of that definition. This understanding of creating and using objects is the base for everything else we will build on in the upcoming lectures.